It's early in the morning, crisp November day, and Apple is out here playing with Lizzie's puppies. We're only going to have these puppies here for a few more days. They're all going to new homes within the next week. Actually, within the next week. And so we're kind of cherishing all the moments that we have with them. Everybody knows that Bella is staying. However, Bella is going to live at our daughter's house, which is just down the road, so we will see her on a very regular basis. But our daughter has always wanted a ruby Cavalier, and Bella, of course, is a beautiful ruby Cavalier. This is obviously not Bella. Yeah, this is Primo, our black and tan boy. But Apple has become kind of a surrogate mother to these puppies. So she's been a constant companion for them, and she's teaching them things like taking plant hangers, putting them in her mouth, and then teaching the puppies to take them in their mouths too. I guess that's not really the best thing that we want them to learn. Apple, what are you doing? What are you doing? And of course, the ever-present Twigs. What you doing, buddy? Oh. So we'll enjoy these puppies for a few more days. And just so that you know, a couple of things that are important to know. Over the next few days, they will go to the vet, get a checkup, make sure everything's okay, that there's no apparent health problems. They will get their first puppy shot, which is a vaccine that covers distemper, parvo, adenovirus, parainfluenza. That's the first of a series of 3 puppy shots that they'll get. They will have microchips implanted, and that's for identification purposes, of course, if the dog ever gets lost. It's a permanent identification that can be used to track down their owners. And then they'll get bathed and groomed and ready to meet their new owners. So, meanwhile, we will enjoy them, and I'll continue to enjoy this little girl. And that little girl, who will be at our house all the time. So, happy autumn, everybody.